everyone, it's Megan, and today I'm going to show you how I got my hair to look like this. As you can see, it's so much fun to play with. Yeah, it's really fun. So I'm going to show you guys how I used just baking soda to clean my hair. It's going to be super awesome, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so here is my couple-day-old hair. It just had gel and the oil in it. And now I'm just going to get it wet, and it takes forever, so there we go. But here is my baking soda, about a tablespoon or two, and I'm just going to put some water in there and fill it up and just swirl it around. Not all of it's going to dissolve, that's okay. And now we're just going to put it all over the hair and just get that hair really saturated in the baking soda water. And you are going to have a little bit left over, so just put some more water in and then try and concentrate that towards the back of the neck, because it's harder for the baking soda to get there because it has to travel through all the hair. And I'm just going to massage and massage and have a slow motion model moment and more massaging. And now we're going to brush. I don't brush with anything in it, I just keep brushing and brushing and brushing on the other side and more brushing. And so you really want to start at the ends and work your way up. I have a wide tooth comb, and yep, another model moment. And so yeah, the hair on the brush, you're going to get a lot of hair. At least I do. When you don't wash your hair for a couple days, you're going to have more buildup of hair. So if you lose 100 hairs a day, that's 200 hairs. And now we're just going to rinse our hair off with all of the water. And I didn't realize I did such a cool flip with the comb there. Now we're just going to scrunch. And now we're rinsing with the cold water. As you can see my facial expressions, it's pretty cold. Very, very cold. So just get that all through there, close off. You close the hair because your hair is like a pine cone, and when you put the cold water on, it closes the hair off, so you seal in the moisture, and it just helps the hair look amazing. So now you could stop here and not put anything in it, and this is what it looks like. It's just a really loose flowing, like I'm gonna be home all day style. Otherwise, we're headed back to the shower. Okay, so now this is Moroccan curl defining cream. It is incredible. It's the one thing that doesn't weigh my hair down. It's so perfect for my hair. It's the perfect texture. I can wear it for days. So I'm just gonna take my wet hair. It's gonna be kind of hard to brush because of the baking soda, but I'm just going to rub some into my hair. I have about 2 or 3 squirts right now, so I'm just gonna rub that in my hands. It's kind of a white, creamy, lovely, and once I put it in my hair, it just kind of smooths and it's amazing. I'm just going to work that all through my hair, making sure that I cover everything, and I'm going to flip my hair over to get the volume. When you train the hair to go straight up, it just makes the volume go way bigger. And once it's down, I'm just going to turn on the water and rake through my hair to get super defined curls. I just turn on the water for a couple of seconds just to get everything wet, and then I turn it off, and I just kind of rake through my hair to get the super defined curls. And that really helps just have gorgeous hair for the day. And here's what the super defined curls looked like. Now I'm just going to put my hair in a towel, and this is the method I use. I put it on a surface, put my hair down on top, and then wrap it around like normal, and then put it in the back and just kind of tuck it in. I can do a clip on that that's more detailed if you guys want to. But yeah, flip around and you're done. Now just leave that in for maybe 10 minutes and then take it out, and then don't touch your hair. Don't even blink. And by no means comb your hair, because then you're gonna have frizz galore. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you loved this clip. Here's the finished product hair. It's a little, I didn't get a chance to record it fresh, but this is after it's been wind tossed a little bit, so extra gorgeous. But I hope you guys love this clip. Don't forget to subscribe below and leave a huge like. You guys are awesome. I love you. Be true to you. See you next time on Thursday Right.